Welcome to TechSolutionZ. In this video, I'll show you how to secure and harden your Kali Linux installation after setup. Kali Linux is an amazing tool for ethical hacking and penetration testing. But out of the box, it's not built for security, it's built for flexibility. So today, we'll make it stronger, safer, and ready for real-world use. Let's begin by updating and upgrading your system. This is the first and most important step in hardening. Updates patch security vulnerabilities and improve stability. Open your terminal and enter the command shown on your screen. Once it's done, you'll have the latest kernel and security packages installed. Next, make sure you're not running everything as root. Running Kali as root is risky. One bad command or script can compromise the entire system. Create a non-root user account and use that for daily work. You can still switch to root when needed, but this simple change adds a big layer of safety. Now, let's set up a firewall. Kali includes UFW, the uncomplicated firewall, which is easy to manage. Enable it, then allow only the ports you actually use. This helps block unwanted connections and keeps your testing environment isolated. After that, disable unnecessary services. Many users forget that background services like SSH or FTP might be running even when you don't need them. If you're not using remote access, disable those services completely. Fewer active services mean fewer attack points. Next, install Fail2Ban. This tool automatically blocks IP addresses that make repeated failed login attempts. It's especially useful if you ever use SSH. It helps prevent brute force attacks. Enable it to run automatically in the background. Now, let's talk about securing SSH access. If you do use SSH, don't allow root logins. Disable password authentication and switch to SSH keys instead. You can even change the default SSH port to reduce automated attack attempts. Privacy is another part of hardening. Always use a VPN or proxy when you're connected to the internet. It hides your real IP and encrypts your network traffic. This is critical if you're working in public networks or doing remote tests. For data protection, consider encrypting sensitive directories or files. Tools like Crypt Setup or VeraCrypt can easily encrypt folders containing your reports, payloads, or scripts. Even if someone gains access to your system, your data stays unreadable. And finally, always take snapshots of your virtual machine if you're using VMware or VirtualBox. A snapshot acts like a restore point. If your system breaks, gets infected, or you just want to go back to a clean state, you can do it instantly. With these simple steps, updates, non-root users, firewall, service control, fail-to-ban, SSH hardening, VPNs, encryption, and snapshots, your Kali Linux system will be far more secure and stable. That's it for this guide. If you found it helpful, like the video, subscribe to Tech Solutions, and turn on notifications so you don't miss Part 2, where we'll go deeper into advanced hardening with tools like AppArmor, intrusion detection, and secure monitoring. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.